In this video, I'll show you how to fix NVIDIA GeForce Experience error code 0X0003 on Windows step by step. This error usually appears because of broken NVIDIA services, corrupted cache files, firewall problems, or outdated GPU drivers. First, open the Start menu, search for Device Manager, and open it. Expand the Display Adapters section, find your NVIDIA graphics card, right-click it, and press Update Driver. After that, choose the Automatic Search option so Windows can look for the newest available driver version online and install it automatically. Once your drivers are updated, open the Start menu again and search for Windows Defender Firewall. Open it and press Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall on the left side. Click Change Settings near the top, then choose Allow another app. Now browse to the NVIDIA GeForce Experience installation folder, which is usually inside Program Files under NVIDIA Corporation and NVIDIA GeForce Experience. Add the GeForce Experience executable file to the list and make sure both private and public boxes are checked so Windows does not block the application anymore. After saving the firewall settings, open the Start menu again and search for Services. Scroll down until you find the NVIDIA Services. First, restart NVIDIA Display Container. After that, locate NVIDIA Framework SDK service and double-click it. Make sure the service is running properly. If it's stopped, press Start, apply the changes, and restart the service afterward. Then restart NVIDIA Local System as well. The next fix is clearing the GeForce Experience cache folder because corrupted cache data often causes the 0X0003 error. Press Windows and R together to open Run, then type %localapp.a% exactly like I'm showing on screen and press Enter. Open the NVIDIA Corporation folder, then NVIDIA GeForce Experience, and find the folder called Cake. Delete that folder completely. If Windows says the folder is currently in use, make sure GeForce Experience is fully closed in the background before deleting it. If the error still appears after all of this, the final solution is reinstalling GeForce Experience completely. Open Add or Remove Programs in Windows Settings, uninstall NVIDIA GeForce Experience, then go to the official NVIDIA website and download the newest version directly from there. Install it again, finish the setup process, restart your computer, and in most cases the NVIDIA GeForce Experience error code 0X0003 should now be fully fixed. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.